Nasir al-Molk Mosque, and this is the first destination that we are going to visit on this day. So walk with us.
دست در نکن دست در نکن قربونه
Nasir al-Mulk Mosque, also known as the Pink Mosque, is a stunning architectural masterpiece located in Shiraz, Iran. It was built in the late 19th century during the Qajar dynasty and is famous for its unique design, intricate patterns, and vibrant colors. The mosque features a beautiful courtyard with a rectangular pool in the center, surrounded by flowers. The facade of the building is adorned with dozens of stained glass windows that create a stunning reflection of light and color throughout the day. The interior of the mosque is equally breathtaking, with elaborate geometric patterns, mosaic tile work, and intricate stained glass. The Pink Mosque is a true gem of Persian architecture and a must-see destination for anyone visiting Shiraz. One of the most fascinating secrets of Nasir al-Mulk Mosque is the stunning transformation that takes place inside the mosque every morning as the sun rises and shines through the stained glass window. The interior of the mosque creating an enchanting and breathtaking atmosphere. The vibrant colors and intricate patterns cast on the floor and walls are a true wonder to behold, and it is one of the main reasons why the mosque is such a popular destination for visitors to Shiraz. This magical phenomenon is truly a hidden gem that adds to the beauty and charm of this beautiful and stunning mosque. The mosque is also known as the Pink Mosque due to the stunning pink reflections created by the sunlight shining through the colorful stained glass windows. To see the mosque Interior displays traditional elements such as panchkasta design, which means five concaved.